Welcome if you're new here. I am Katrina, and this is the Priceless Pearl Life. I have a product I would like to show you on today, so you know what to do. Just keep watching. So, am I the only one? Whenever I receive a box, I start feeling like it's Christmas. So, I'm excited about this package that arrived on today. So, the company that reached out to me is called Mama Mia Covers Furniture Apparel. Their mission is to share easy and affordable ways to brighten up your favorite family spots with unique and elegant slip covers so every U.S. family can enjoy their cozy moments. Imagine that. So I headed right over to the website for Mama Mia Covers, and I noticed one thing immediately. They have a cover literally for almost any furniture we can have in our homes. I'm talking 2-seaters, 3-seaters, 4-seaters, chaise lounges, lazy boy chairs, dining chairs, and even pillow covers. I'm talking literally every furniture that you have in your home. You know, something may be a little worn, but it's still good because it fits you so well. And a new cover could give it extended life. So I thought, what cover could I choose? Because I literally have 2 brand new couches. And I decided, let me look into this office chair cover. So that's what I selected in a dark gray color. So a quick little tidying up. If you're new here, I am Katrina, and this is The Priceless Pearl Life. It's a lifestyle channel where I share my love of home decor, cooking, baking, vlogs, and so much more. If these are things that interest you, you already know what to do. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload of The Priceless Pearl Life. The packaging included step-by-step instructions in picture form, as well as a QR code for video instructions. Listen, I was making this harder than it had to be. I was so worried about tearing the fabric. I was being so gentle. Then after a while, I was like, listen, get it on, get it on. Let's finish this task. This chair cover is made in a microfiber material and a waffle pattern. Mamma Mia claims that it's also breathable, it's stretchy, and for us women of a certain age, it's supposed to have a cooling effect. If you know, then you know. So thank you, Mamma Mia, for that cooling effect. Mamma Mia's website is user friendly. Shipping is easy, and make sure that you measure twice to ensure the perfect fit for your new Mamma Mia chair cover today. Special thanks goes out to Mamma Mia chair covers. Thank you so much for sending me my brand new office chair cover in this dark gray, which I think is perfect for the fall season in my gray, white, light gray family office. So if you're looking for a way to revitalize and save an old family favorite, head over to Mamma Mia's right now. I think you'll be glad you did. Until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.